been having some trouble with using the washer. It's been getting stuck right now. I have it on bulk items. It's a very small load, just shirts and underwear and some shorts, nothing major, and yet it's just won't work. Now I have to basically restart it and start from the beginning. And this has been happening now for a couple weeks, and I thought it was maybe just heavier stuff, so I haven't really put anything heavy in there. It's just been like some towels, and now it's basically happening all the time with even just a small load.